Hey, this is pretty dope. I haven't seen this.
Attention all judges.
We creeping. We creeping on Leo. Natural juices and berries. Hello. All right, you guys, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today I'm dying. I'm dying. Hey, wait, hold on. So you guys are gonna watch me choke and have to go help me?
I said that was a retake.
You saw? No, wait, both of you guys have the biggest smiles on your face, though. Just watching me struggle. Damn, that was funny. Anyway, we out here at Super Street After Dark. All right, we in Long Beach, California. If you know what Super Street is, you know about the iconic magazine. They still have all the amazing cars, amazing builds and everything. So yeah, it's getting dark, but we about to go to where it's lit. Before we get started, man, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I almost died at the beginning of this video, so I'm trying to sacrifice my life for y'all. And as always, let's see what they're talking about. Let's get it. You know?
What's up, man?
Chillin', man. Hell yeah. What's up with you, dog?
What's up, nigga?
Chillin', man. You know what I mean?
How
Yeah.
you need?
Good to see you. I'm good. Everything's good, man. Yeah. You guys gonna Origins tomorrow?
Yeah.
You gonna be at Origins? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna be at in Southgate at like the G-Body picnic. You know, all the lowriders, Monte Carlos, Cutlasses. Yeah, so I'll be at the G-Body picnic, then I'm gonna hit up Origins. So it should be cool. Yeah, for sure. Hell yeah, for sure. All right, so they got outside and inside, right? So there's a warehouse and there's outdoors. So let's check out and see what they got in the warehouse. Let's get it. Hey, this is pretty dope. I haven't seen this. They got a projector screen projecting off a car. All white. Check this out. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Clever. Clever.
Attention Super Street judges, please make your way to the judges booth. Attention all judges, please make your way to the DJ booth for awards.
Hey, just want to tell you guys that between me and you already know. You already know what I'm about to say. You should like and subscribe. Why? That's right, you guessed it. Because your boy's handsome. You see it. You see it. Hit the button. Make me happy. Or if you want to make me sad, hit the button. Like and subscribe. Ooh, look at your boy. Your boy's glistening out here. You know what I mean? Natural juices and berries. Hello.
Where the shirts at?
Okay, well, first of all, it's not even fully my fault. Because I said the next time you're gonna go someplace, whatever, hit me up and let me know. I ain't heard from you.
You know I was gonna be here.
Oh, so I know?
Yeah.
I know.
You should know.
So we lay down, we spoon together, I just know, right? Why you get all quiet? Don't tell nobody else. I got you. I got
You
you.
want some too? Yeah, I want one.
What color?
I don't want
What?
black. Black.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
All right, bro, thank you.
All right, for sure. So what that is, man, I always feel bad because they always ask me like, hey, get some shirts. What's up with the merch? I always tell them, I got you. But we always run into each other at these meets, never telling me that he's gonna be at the meets. So that's why I was like, it's not fully my fault, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna get him his shirts tomorrow, for sure. Hey, Chris Brown, C Breezy, you already know. I see you in this. Both of them. Fly back to California, get you one, man. Come back home. Well, yeah. Hey, so what's so cool about Super Street? Like I said, it's based off the magazine, but if you knew about the magazine back in the day, it pretty much catered to, like, you know, to JDM, but over here, it's catering to everything. You're seeing a lot of imports, domestics, you're seeing Euros, you're seeing trucks, you're seeing like tastefully everything. And pretty much now it almost seems like if you got a badass car that's gonna turn heads, that's on the street, bring it here. Showing you the best of what's out there. And it's everything, man. The vibe is cool. A lot of space. Out here in Long Beach, man, Super Street. I'm liking the vibe, but I'm liking what I see. Let's continue on. We creeping on Leo and Leon. Oh, damn. I was gonna see how long I could be here before you noticed me. Are you calling me fat? Come on. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, so far from what I'm seeing, everything is like, number one, all the cars are super clean. Like, whatever standard they had to even have you be able to enter is top tier. All these cars are very clean, well put together. Like, pretty much most all these cars look like they came off the showroom floor in the most modified way. But yeah, everything is tastefully done and organized. I like that. Man, this is dope. I like it. It feels good outside. There's like enough room for all the cars. Nobody's bumping into each other. Oh, you good? No worries. Everybody's respectful. But so right now they're getting ready to I guess round everybody up and then do the judging of all the different categories of the cars in the warehouse, out the warehouse, up house, down house, in house, out house, house. Anyway, y'all, hey, if you haven't done so yet, man, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. It gets you guys in the algorithm, so you always see what I have going on every time I drop a new video. And if you haven't done so yet, add me on IG at Import Life Media, TikTok, Import Life Media. You know what I'm saying? Import Life Media, and then after that, if you forget, like the slip short, Import Life Media. Anyway, y'all. All right, let me see. Let me bless you guys as I always do with a little piece of advice. What can I say? Remember this, man. Do not blow out other people's candles just to try to make yours look brighter. All right? Don't hate on anybody. Don't hate. Don't try to knock somebody down. Don't run your mouth. Just be positive. It's always gonna come back to you. And even if it doesn't, there's nothing wrong with being positive. But yeah, like I said, do not blow out other people's candles just to try to make yours shine brighter. All right, y'all. Stay good. Stay blessed. Be good to everybody around you. And most important, get those cars built. All right, y'all. Peace.